Electric spin scrubber. It's cordless. 4 brush head, 2 speed modes, IPX8 rated. Has a 2.5 to 3 hour fast charge, 120-minute runtime, 2600 milliamp battery, Type C. Scrub head for your bathroom, showers, floors, anywhere imaginable. We're going to simply go over what you see on the table. We have here is a clamp to hold the head of the scrub, mount on the wall with the self-adhesive stick that's removable. We have the wide angle scrub, a cone-shaped scrubber, a medium-sized scrub flat, and an oval-shaped medium size. The bristles are nice and soft, as you can see. Go over each one. Charging indicator, 100% red to green. And we have 2 modes on the switch, fast and slow RPMs. The head unit, the brushes, octagon, snap on, snap off. Mode 1 is red for fast, green for slow, and off. That's the cycle of the unit, of the speeds. On the bottom is a cap to attach your poles. USB-C port must be covered to keep IP rated. And simply grab a pole, place on and look for the clip, which is a safety clip. Remember to press in to take off when placing on. Screws on, very easy. Snaps in, press to release, to unscrew, to take off and change your heights. Screwing on, we're going to grab the next pole to make it one of the 4 different heights, as you can see. With the scrub brush, we're going to clean the window with the wide head. Simply put your application on and clean around. It's very simple and easy to do. Pick your speed, slow it down, and clean. Cleaning the floor, simply following the line at 1 speed with the medium head as we go back and forth and cleaning. Cleans for the tiles, floors, and more. IPX8 rated for the toilet. Easy to dunk in and clean, just like that. Without bending over, able to get into the tires. Removing the handle to make it easier to work on by simply holding the handle, pressing the speed, and cleaning the wheel with the cone-shaped one. Your spin brush. Compact, removable, foldable, with a carrying storage container to put everything away in. If you're looking for a scrub brush, 2-speed mode, 4 heads, put in the pouch or hang on the wall, take with you for your household needs, cleaning automobiles, tiles, floors, and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.